For more than 2 centuries, homeopathy has been trusted across the world. Today, India has become the largest center of homeopathic practice, with millions of patients relying on it every day. But for Indian homeopathy to lead globally, one thing matters more than anything else. Modern healthcare demands medicines that are not only effective but also manufactured under internationally accepted quality standards. Recognizing this need, the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, introduced two important quality frameworks, Ayush Premium Mark and NABL accredited laboratories. These standards aim to make Indian Ayush medicines globally trusted. The Ayush Premium Mark certification ensures that medicines are manufactured with strict quality controls and internationally aligned standards. It verifies that the medicines meet high benchmarks of safety, consistency, and reliability, helping Indian homeopathy compete globally. An NABL accredited laboratory ensures that every batch of medicine undergoes scientific testing and validation. This includes raw material verification, potency testing, and quality analysis, ensuring medicines are consistent, reliable, and trustworthy. For homeopathic doctors, these certifications bring greater confidence in the medicines they prescribe. When medicines are manufactured and tested under such rigorous standards, doctors can rely on consistent potency and dependable therapeutic results. For patients, these standards mean something even more important: trust. Trust that their medicine is manufactured under strict quality protocols and tested through advanced laboratory validation. Because better standards ultimately lead to better healing. Adven Biotech is proud to support the Ayush Ministry's vision of making Indian homeopathy a global benchmark. Adven is the only homeopathic company in India with both Ayush Premium Mark certification and an NABL accredited quality control laboratory, setting a new standard in quality, science, and trust. With stronger quality standards and scientific validation, Indian homeopathy is ready to lead the world, and Adven is proud to be part of this journey.
That's why Adven believes in tested hai, to trusted hai.